The idea was to use it as our main room now. We were just to give us a bit more room, what have you, which it has done. But because I love sitting in the garden in the sun, because we're south-facing, so it's like being in the Mediterranean. But when it's raining, you can't sit outside, can you? Now, you like being sat outside, but you're inside, sheltered from the weather. It's great, fantastic. Jeanette was away on holiday, celebrating her birthday. I'm sat on the patio there, reading the Daily Mail. Picture come up with a contact number. I thought, out of curiosity, I'll give him a ring. Very nice chap on the other end of the phone. Waited for Jeanette to come home. I said, "How would you like that on the end of your house?" She said, "Oh, that's nice, isn't it?" I said, "Well, he's given us a price." And it all started from there. One of the easiest things you've done. Can't fault him, not one bit. Everybody's said out complimented on it, haven't they? Yeah. And they couldn't believe how fast it went up. That's unbelievable as well. It was up within 7 days. We got the lads in to do the flagging. Within 2 weeks, we were back to normal. Fantastic. The payment plans are really good and they help you out. There's no hard sell with it, like have this, have that. Which way would you like to do it? Very good payment plans. It's a lovely, neat job. And it just looks well, doesn't it? Definitely recommend them. Give them a ring, sort something out with them. They're very pleasant, they're very helpful. Just go ahead with it. You won't regret it.